56 इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया हांगासर गोंयांत चालू आसा आनी आमी जाणा त्या निमतान वेगवेगळे सितारे हांगासर येत आसता सेलिब्रिटीज येत आसता त्या पैकी आमकां आयज लाला आनी पॉपी ह्या फिल्मांतले म्हाका लीड एक्टर्स मेळ्ळा तेंचे जाणून घेया तेंचो एक्सपिरियन्स ह्या फिल्मा बद्दल कसो आसलो तो हाव वॉज एक्सपिरियन्स एट द फिल्म
It was like a dream, beautiful dream. Yeah, to see ourselves, to see people like us on the big screen it's not less than anything surreal. So yeah, I hope it becomes real though at some point.
ऑल द बेस्ट
Yeah, there is nothing better than artistic people coming together and bringing a vision to life. So it was an amazing experience to be a part of everything.
Yeah, so we are joined by the director of the film. So director sir, yeah. So how you got the idea of making this film?
It was just an idea that came out of the air when I met Suraj really, and I thought that we should tell a story in which gender really doesn't play a part. And I wanted to tell an honest, authentic love story. So when I met Suraj, we've been working on this almost 7 years trying to get it made. And here we are.
You have played both the role of writer and director. So while writing the story, we have to keep in mind such some of the things, or we have to be precautionary. So how that role you played as a writer?
Well, even when I was writing it, I made sure that we spent a lot of time with the community itself trying to get it right. So a lot of research and a lot of labor and many years and drafts went into writing the script itself to make sure that everything was as authentic as possible. For me, that was the main thing, to get authenticity in the story.
Okay. So when the film is currently out on the in the theaters?
No, this is the world premiere.
This is the world premiere.
Yes.
Okay. So after your friends must have will obviously watch the movie afterwards. So what do you expect from them, your friends, after watching it on the screen?
I mean, they're my friends, so they have to like it. We hope that people like it because it's really fun and we made it with all our energy.
Yeah.
It was
With
so
all our love as
beautiful.
well.
Yes, yes.
These are the other actors in the movie.
Okay.
They have his parents,
Okay. So
Saloni Mehta and
Okay.
Chandan Vishnu.
okay. So how was the experience?
It was very magical. It's my second project with Kezad, and anything that Kezad touches is going to be magical. So it was a beautiful experience, very robust. He would just throw us in there and say, do what you want. And so we could experiment, and the team was marvelous. So all in all, it was great. And the movie is looking good. Yeah.
So how was the experience?
Yeah, it was great. It was great, and we were having fun and doing our job. And the shoot was very lovely. They are very lovely people we have. Yeah.
Thank you. So maybe a last question to you. Okay. Last question is, what is the message that you have given through the movie, and what do you want to change the people's mind? Maybe, what do you want to?
I think if there is a message in the movie, it is this: everyone has a right to love, and everyone has a right to be loved, regardless of your age, gender, sexuality, anything of the sort. So I think that is primarily the message of this movie. And if I would like to impart anything to an audience, it is exactly that. That let's not be quick to judge, let's be accepting, let's be kind. And that's the main message of the movie, really. Humanity is its own religion, and I think that's really what the film is offering, a human being point of view rather than a gender point of view.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
सो 56 इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवलाक आमकां लाला आनी पॉपी ह्या हेंची स्टोरी आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटली तेंची आयज वर्ल्ड प्रिमियर हांगासर आसा आनी त्या फिल्माचे म्हाज्या वांगडा प्रोड्युसर आसा सर वेलकम टू आवर शो वेलकम इन गोवा
Thank you.
हाव यू आर फिलिंग इन गोवा
Excellent. I have been here 20 years for the festival every year. So
and what are you expecting from the world premiere today from public?
I myself like to see the reaction because it's a very important film for us. We belong to a country that recognizes third gender constitutionally, legally, everything. I want to see how people react now because that's very important for us, and it's very important for the community to be recognized and accepted. So we are as nervous as all of the audience.
So what new you found this time in 56 International Film Festival? You have said that you have past few years you have been attending it.
So I think that it's a lot smoother than before. I still miss the premiere in Kala Academy, which was there in the first 4 or 5 years. But other than that, it's very smooth. Of course, the traffic is Goa, so it's full. It's very nice.
And, Gustad sir has put in lot of efforts along with the actors and other cast. So why you thought of investing in the movie first of all?
See, I didn't invest in the movie. I am producing the movie.
Yes.
So we just work on stories that we believe people will want to see, and stories that are important. So if you see my earlier films also, Bandit Queen, Fire, Maqbool, all Satya, they are all films that have a social relevance and importance. So this falls in the same category.
So last question. After watching the film, do you think that public or the viewers will their mindset will change after looking at the people of yes.
That is what we are hoping for. We are hoping that after watching our film, people will accept the fact that everybody in this world has a right to be happy, work and live normally. I think it's most important to be human beings first, then men, women, gender. Gender comes next. First, most important is being a human being.
Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.